Hello everybody. Thanks for watching my video. I just got my Ipsy bag in the mail, so I'm going to unbox it. I like this bag. This is pretty, Alexis likes my bag too. She wants it. I don't know if she's going to get it. This says, "The stars are aligning. Your November glam bag is a universe of brilliant beauties. Twinkle, twinkle, darling, it's time to light up the sky." That's there. Okay. But that's a really cute little bag. Can y'all see? I'm trying to record on two devices, so. Okay. Ooh. What have we got here? Okay, go away, gloomy day. For extra boost to your skin, a Liana Eco healthy food for your skin. I can't even read that. Why do they put Brighton so little? Can't even read it with my reading glasses on. Natural, gluten-free, okay? What does it matter? I'm not going to eat it. Vegan, never treated on animals. For all skin types. Apply after using toner and tap gently. Then apply lotion afterwards. Use morning and night. External use only. That's weird. Okay. Next. Ooh, I got my first brush. Crown brush. That's a big old brush. You see it? That's kind of cool. Okay. Brush. What in the world? Sahara Gold Eye Crayon. That is a very light shade. I would have liked it better if it was just a hair darker. This might work as a highlighter. Oops. Okay. Gotta get all that off. Let me see this. Let's see. Yeah. See, you can't hardly even see it on my hand. Can you see where I did it? Let's see. It's very, very light. Like highlighter. Make a good highlighter though, I think. Oh yeah, you do. She wants my eyeliner too. Absolute New York Nano Liner. Ultra Fine Precision Liquid Liner. It's water resistant. Yeah. They're out in the rain. You could cry. And it's not supposed to smear. When the boyfriend did to you on the first date. Let's see. Woo, that is fine. Ooh, look at that. That's pretty fine. That's kind of cool. I don't know if you're going to get that one. Smashbox Full Exposure Mascara. There, you can have this. Got a lot of mascaras. Ooh, that's got a nice brush on it, though. A lot of times you get those with those plastic. I don't like those plastic things. This is a good full brush. You need that. It will make your eyelashes look long like they're supposed to. That's cool. That's called Smashbox Full Exposure Mascara.
And then there's like one other thing, you think?
Nope, that was it.
That was it?
You have 5 things. You get 5 things almost every time. I like the eyeliner. The mascara is kind of cool.
I like the back.
This would be nicer if it was a little darker, but I guess it's alright. This is weird, but I might try it. I like brushes, so I'm really glad. And I'm glad this is a bigger brush because I don't have a big brush. Cool. And I really like the bag. It's cool. It's pretty. And
it's mine.
And Alexis is going to steal it from me. She'll probably take my eyeliner or my mascara too.
I don't want mascara. I don't want the eyeliner. You have everything else.
Alright. Thanks for watching my videos. Bye.